Hi guys, Merry Christmas, Feliz Navidad. So, I know probably some of y'all have had your ham for Christmas already, and even if you didn't have any ham, you might have been singing along to this really popular song by Marcia Miranda, Bring Out the Ham. So, today, what we want to do is show you guys how you can really play a simple version of part of the melody of the chorus line for this song with just 5 notes. All right. So again, Feliz Navidad, Merry Christmas to everybody, and blessings to you guys as we go into 2019. All right. So here we go, and so before we get started, we just want to show you what notes we're going to be using. So right now, I'm pointing to the note G. That's G. All right, so to help you find it, you'll see there are sets of 2 black keys and 3 black keys on your keyboard. So we're going to find G, which is the white key on the right side of the, 1, 2, 3 black keys. So you check that first of the 3 black keys, and right there's G. All right. So what we want to do is put our 5 fingers on the 5 white keys that are right next to each other. All right, so they fit snugly on each one of those keys. All right, so it'll sound just like this when you play them. Sounds just like do, re, mi, fa, sol. Yeah? All right, so let's try that together again, because these are the 5 notes that we're going to use. All right. So, all right, now that we know the 5 notes that we're going to use, this is what you're going to sound like in just a little bit. All right. I did promise you it was just 5 notes. All right. So instead of using the letter names, I like to let's use fingers. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'll do it backwards as well. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So we got neighbor, oi, 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 bring out the ham, neighbor, oi, 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 bring out the ham, neighbor, oi, 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 bring out the ham, neighbor, oi, 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 bring out the ham. All right, so we're gonna take it up and break it up into little pieces, okay? So we got neighbor, oi, the first part, neighbor, oi, which is just like do, mi, sol. Let's try it again together. And then we're gonna go neighbor, oi. Yep, you got it with me? All right. All right, so we did 1, 3, 5 just now. 1, 3, 5. Then we're gonna use 3 and 4. So that pattern again. 1, 3, 5, 3, 4. Or in solfege, we can say it like do, mi, sol, mi, fa. All right, so let's try it together again. That's your first part, neighbor, oi, oi, oi. Now we want to bring out the ham, right? We're going to start with our 3rd finger. See what I did there? 3, 3, 2, 2, 3. And that's do, re, mi. So we're going mi, re, re, mi. We're going to bring out the ham. Bring out the ham. What? Look, I told you. Oh, we're almost done. Let's go all the way from the beginning. Remember, it's 1, 3, 5, 3, 4, 3, 2, 2, 3. Or in solfege, it's do, mi, sol, mi, fa, mi, re, mi. Yep, so that's neighbor. Oi, 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 bring out the ham. And let's get to the ay, 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 ay. This is the same thing just like we started before. Except that we want to maybe get the ay, 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 ay. So we're just going to repeat that number 5. 1, 3, 5, 5, 5. Neighbor, ay, ay, ay. But so before we did neighbor, oi, oi, oi. This time it's neighbor, ay, ay, ay. And then we add that 3, 4. So let's try neighbor, ay, 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 ay. And the bring out the ham is the same thing. So we have neighbor, ay, 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 ay. So that's 1, 3, 5, 5, 5, 3, 4. And we're gonna bring out the ham from the third finger. Bring out the ham. And there you go. That's it. So let's try it all together from the beginning now. I'm gonna sing it a little lower this time. Neighbor, oi, 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 bring out the ham. Neighbor, ay, 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 bring out the... And we're gonna go all the way down to number 1. Ham. Neighbor, oi, 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 bring out the ham. Neighbor, ay, 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 bring out the ham. Alright, so let's go one more time. And the last time we play bring out the ham, it's gonna go down. So let's go from the beginning. Here we go. Neighbor, oi, 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 bring out the ham. Neighbor, ay, 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 bring out the ham. And you can play it as many times as you like, alright? So I hope you got some ham. Even if you didn't get some real ham, you can still get some musical ham for Christmas. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Alabanza Music. And see you guys for the next video. Ciao, ciao, pues.